In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Tradingview. Before we begin, a quick note for clarity. Tradingview is a charting and trading interface. Your funds are not held by Tradingview itself. Instead, you deposit money with a supported broker, and Tradingview connects to that broker so you can place trades from within the platform. With that in mind, here is how to get to the right place and complete your deposit smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. If you have an account, make sure you are signed in so you can access the trading features. Once the homepage loads, look along the top navigation bar and click on Products. This opens a menu that groups the tools Tradingview offers. At the bottom of that menu, click Trading Panel. The Trading Panel is where all supported brokers are listed and where you connect your trading account to Tradingview. If you do not see your broker immediately, look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click it. This expands the list so you can view every available integration, including regional partners and asset-specific providers. From here, select a broker that you already have an account with or choose one you plan to use and click Connect. Tradingview will guide you through the connection flow. In most cases, you will be redirected to the broker's secure login page to authorize the connection. Depending on the broker, you might be asked to confirm your account type, choose between live and demo, or accept integration permissions. If you are new to trading on Tradingview, connecting a demo or paper account first can be a helpful way to get comfortable before you fund. Once connected, follow the broker's on-screen instructions to deposit. This is handled entirely by the broker, not Tradingview. Typical funding methods include bank transfer, card, or other local payment options, and processing times and limits vary. Make sure the account currency, minimum deposit, and any fees match your preferences. Some brokers may require identity verification or proof of address before enabling deposits, which is standard for regulated financial services. A few tips as you complete the process. Confirm that the broker supports the markets you want to trade through Tradingview. Review deposit fees and withdrawal policies so there are no surprises later. Use a secure internet connection when entering payment details and keep your broker credentials private. If anything looks unfamiliar, contact the broker's support directly from their official site. That is it. You navigated to the trading panel, revealed all brokers, connected your account, and followed the broker's deposit instructions. You are now ready to trade from Tradingview with your funded broker account.